Welcome to qnawire.
Our question states that it wants us to graphically determine the resultant of the following three vector displacements. 1, 24 meters, 36 degrees north of east. 2, 18 meters, 37 degrees east of north. And 3, 26 meters, 33 degrees west of south. Okay, so it wants us to do this graphically. So just by looking at the graph and estimating based upon the graph. So I drew our graph as our coordinate system here as our graph, right, in the green. So there's the direction north, east, south, and west labeled. And I'm going to draw in black here so we can distinguish between what's being drawn and what's labeled. And what I'm going to draw are our given vectors. And so the first one, vector V1, is 24 meters, and that is 36 degrees north of east. So we're going to go up 36 degrees from the east towards the north, and we're going to go 24 meters in that direction. So let's go ahead and draw that. Oop. Okay. All right. So then I'm going to label this too, V1. Then we are going to go 18 meters east of north. So now we're going to go east of the north direction, 37 degrees. So the same degrees, just east of north instead of north of east. And we're going to go 18 meters. That's going to be up this direction. Okay. Okay. Now we're going to go down 26 meters, so a little bit farther than V1. We're going to go down 26 meters, and that is going to be in the direction west of south. So we're going to go west of south. West of south is going to be back in this direction, and that's 33 degrees. Okay. All right. So then the final question is, and we'll draw this in red, we'll draw the line in red we want to find, is what is the resulting line here? And we'll label this as V sub f for V final. We want to know its direction. So graphically, just by looking at it, well, it's not going to be quite as long as V sub 1, right? It's not going to be quite as long as V sub 1. V sub 1 is 24 meters, so it's going to be closer to about 17 meters. So we'll write here that V sub f, distance-wise, it's a vector, distance-wise, graphically is approximately 17 meters. Okay, and then if you look at the angle, well, the angle appears to be about roughly half or so, maybe a little bit more than half of V1. And V1 was, if you remember, 36 degrees northeast. So this looks a little bit more than half, so we'll say 19 degrees north of east. And that's what we've approximated graphically.